guys, it's Aubrey here, and today I'm going to be showing you my slime. Don't mind that crunching in the background because it's my dog eating a treat. Yeah. So you guys, I'm kind of losing my voice right here, so probably sound different. And my mom's, there's a lot of loud noises in the background. My mom is vacuuming because someone's gonna come over. So yeah, so this is the slime. So pretty. I think I'm trying to make it like a butter slime. It's like that kind of spread, but it is really nice. It's really good. It stretches really good, actually. Okay, so you guys, I am going to put you guys down like this. Okay, I'm going to put you guys somewhere.
Too bad, man. Okay.
Okay, so you guys, I'm going to do a good slime swirl for you guys. Okay. It's a really good slime swirl. It's not that good, but like, it's not that good. But it's really nice. That's my dog. Right there. So you guys, it's a really nice slime. And I just want to show you guys. Make sure to subscribe. Like this video. And comment down below what your favorite slime. So goodbye.